Are you interested in a hanging system with an integrated art lighting? Then the STAS multirail is for you. This is the STAS multirail. It's identical to the STAS Clip Rail Pro and can hold up to 99 pounds. The rail is equipped with integrated 12-volt power supply wires. Once the rail is installed, you can place a light fixture in any spot in the rail to beautifully light your works of art. Like most STAS rail systems, you can mount the rail slightly below the ceiling. The rail is powered with a power supply that you will need to order with your system. One of these 45-watt adapters will power 50 feet of rail and a maximum of 10 4-watt LED lamps. And the great part is, the multi-rail system uses the same hooks and cords as all of the other STAS systems. When you're ordering a STAS multi-rail, there are also different light fixtures and lamps to choose from. This is the Sirius fixture. It has a flexible end and can be aimed at your picture very easily. The second type is the Signo fixture. It has the same flexible end, but it is a bit longer in length and much more suitable to light large pieces of art. For more information about STAS multi-rail system, please have a look at our website.